Bonjour, my name is Catherine Keach and I teach French at Bettendorf Middle School. My principal, Lisa Reed, asked us if we had some interesting things happening in our classrooms, good ideas that have been happening for online learning, and I wanted to show something called Flipgrid. In French 1 at Bettendorf Middle School, a lot of what we do, of course, is try to learn how to speak French. And without the kids being here, my administrator, Lorelai Ann Dado, suggested that I use Flipgrid. I had never used it before, but it's this platform where you can give the kids an example. You can give them all sorts of directions. They can speak to each other, or they can just make little videos for me to watch and give them feedback on. And so I wanted to give an example of one of my students who did a really good, they've all been doing such a good job, but this student really blew me away. I almost started crying when I watched it. I was like, oh my God. So anyway, very proud of all of my students. They were supposed to greet me and describe themselves. They were supposed to say their age, how old they were, and when their birthday was, and then also describe themselves, I think using 3 adjectives. This is one of my 8th graders named Halima. I just wanted to...
Bonjour, je m'appelle Halima, j'ai 13 ans. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 21 décembre. Je suis ronde, je suis blond, je suis intelligent. Au revoir.
Oops.
Bonjour.
Okay, I wouldn't mind listening to it again because it's just so good. So anyway, that is just a little sample from Alima, one of my 8th graders, of how online learning is going for us in the French room. It's going pretty well. I'm really proud of them. They're all doing their best. And thanks for watching. Au revoir. Bye.